Diane Sentiment compliments the result of the survey by the social weather stations commissioned by the Energy Department. It says more than 70% of Filipinos believe in the potential of nuclear energy as an addition to the current mix. 76% of respondents are also interested in learning more about nuclear energy. 66% want to rehabilitate the Bataan nuclear power plant, while 45% prefer a new nuclear plant.
Yung ating mga kababayan open at suportado yung nuclear.
Kinurakot ng labis na singil ng Meralco.
But for members of the Power for People Coalition who trooped to the Meralco head office Tuesday to protest steep power rates, government should instead push more for renewable energy rather than revive the country's foray into nuclear energy.
Ang renewable energy ay di hamak na pinakamura. Alam din po natin na ang nuclear, ang ginagamit na resources para dito ay galing sa ibang bansa. Dadagdag na naman sa importasyon, dadagdag na naman sa mahal na kuryente.
The nuclear-free Bataan movement is not convinced of the results of the survey, emphasizing the danger that nuclear energy poses, similar to the disaster experienced by other countries.
Yung usapin ng mga flood control projects nga hindi mo mapagkatiwalaan ang mga gobyerno natin, di lalo pa yung nuclear power plant na napakalalong delikado.
But the Energy Department clarifies there should not be any competition between nuclear and renewable energy.
Ang nuclear po hindi kalaban, hindi po ito kompetensya ng renewable energy. Nagko-complement po ito. Kung gusto po natin ng diversified energy mix, kailangan po natin ng renewable energy, samahan po natin ng nuclear.